She gone.
Hello, everyone. When the sky changes and the wind starts to pick up, you'll feel that something is coming. A tornado is forming. Join us as we watch real footage and hear stories from people who have experienced these strange events. Oh gosh, mysterious swirling winds, like invisible hands, lift debris and knock on car doors, leaving central Illinois stunned. Objects float in the air, making southwest Pennsylvania feel the unexpected power of nature.
Sitting right in the middle. Sorry.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Should we not be standing?
I don't even.
The tornado, like a wrath of nature, flips cars and tears apart power lines, throwing Buffalo into chaos. Tornado begins to form in southeast North Dakota. Dirt rises like an invisible wave. Be cautious before nature's wrath.
Right there, it's coming down again.
The tornado is literally right above us.
Oh gosh.
She gone.
The unannounced tornado rips the roof off at the San Antonio military base. Fortunately, everyone is safe.
It's like a freaking tornado.
The giant dust storm sweeps through Cicero, New York, a reminder that nature's power always exceeds limits.
There's the tornado! Oh my God!
When the tornado joins the storm party, its power is like a sudden crashing wave hitting the shore, making the storm in Missouri extremely intense. Dust whirlwinds, born from the heat of the surface, are like a small but mighty fury. A rare tornado appears near Vancouver Airport, like a sign from nature, drawing all attention. The tornado, like a giant monster, sweeps through the northern Texas fields, shaking the space. Fascinating, but don't forget, safety comes first. A small tornado in the shape of a funnel cloud sweeps across the farmlands in Patsun, Chimaltenango, Guatemala. The violent wind sweeps everything in its path, leaving behind debris and chaos. as if nature is proving its power. Incredible. The dust storm takes center stage in this swirling game.
In water, there's another.
Fighting wildfires is no easy challenge, especially when the fire turns into a tornado. Be very careful. No one could predict that an ordinary holiday would be disrupted by a powerful whirlwind when the school design suddenly changes.
Right here, just picking up whatever's been burned.
Like an uncontrollable dust storm, the giant tornado swirls over the burned land, turning the space into chaos. What do you think about this man-made vortex? Thank God for protection. Thanks to quick reactions, everything managed to make way for nature's fury. It's the combination of fire and wind, two seemingly opposite forces, but they merge in the fury of nature.
Holy! That car's flying! What the?
Oh no, a once-in-a-lifetime sight. Always keep an eye on the warnings to take precautions against extreme weather situations. A lightning bolt lights up the sky in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, like a sudden sign from nature, bringing change to the tranquil space. A strong wind, like an invisible wave, blows debris when the tornado attacks Mississippi. It's a dance between land and sky. Dust tornadoes, like wild creatures from the earth, spiral through cars at Birmingham City Football Stadium. A tornado may have ripped the roof off a fire station in Carrollton. A reminder that humans can never control the great power of nature. Lava flowing from Kilauea volcano like a fiery dance in the sky, soaring high and bright. The tornado, like a wind dance, sweeps objects across a neighborhood in Krakow, Poland.
Упав кран, тупо упав.
A tornado touches down in San Remo, Italy, a testament to the extreme weather phenomena we need to understand clearly.
Holy crap! Oh my gosh!
A running race in northern Montana was interrupted when nature unexpectedly sent in the tornado athlete. Oh no. Demolition became easier than ever when the tornado erupted. Finding shelter is the only choice. The fierce wind, like an invisible hand, activated a domino game in Polotsk, creating a chaotic and powerful scene. A scud cloud, often mistaken for a tornado due to its similar shape, left the people of Thurmont, Maryland astonished.
Maybe fall.
The monster tornado touched down in Arkansas, like a dance between land and wind. The rainbow, accompanied by a funnel cloud, spirals across Louisiana Highway, symbolizing the transition between light and darkness. Impressive footage captured the breathtaking and violent beauty of the giant tornado that appeared in the east of the United Arab Emirates, like a dust tower reaching into the sky. The cloud forming like a fierce tornado, like a giant mill spinning through the sky, was spotted in Oklahoma City.
Miren eso. Dios mío. Oh, wow. Qué tremendo.
The double tornadoes from the storm spiraled into the sky, like invisible pillars connecting earth and sky, seen from Palm Beach.
There's a funnel above it. It's twisted up down on the. That's beautiful.
Tourists were thrilled to witness the monster tornado forming in Jamaica, like a dance of wind and clouds, powerful but mysterious.
Look what they gotta go back to, y'all. Oh, there, look what they gotta go back to. Oh, yeah.
Oh
Confirmed tornado.
Lord. Definitely a tornado.
That's going right into Mount Vernon.
God.
There it is. You got
Yeah.
it, right. Yes, there it is.
It's definitely a tornado.
Oh, my.
Powerful tornado hit Mount Vernon, Indiana, like a wrath from the sky.
Tornado.
These clouds are not only signs of an approaching storm, but also reminders of the ceaseless change and infinite power of the universe. How fascinating. Nature always knows how to surprise us. Lightning brightens the night sky in central Texas, like a giant streak cutting through space, tearing the night apart. The trash can spins gracefully on a flooded street in Omaha, like a fragile dancer in the rain. The tornado not only wreaked havoc on the streets, but also caused the power to cease operation, plunging the Hot Springs, Arkansas neighborhood into darkness. In Ohio, the sky suddenly tore open when multiple tornadoes formed a funnel cloud merging together.
Got an 8 in my house. Something to do.
If you've ever encountered a giant tornado, share your story with us. I'm really looking forward to hearing your story.
Oh, that campground. Oh my God. Allahu Akbar. Ya Allah. Angin peting beliung ya Allah. Desa cinta mulia ya Allah. Selamatkan ya Allah.
Each piece of debris carries the story of a world torn apart by the invisible fury of nature.
Allah katek bener alhamdulillah. Ya, kamera katek saya atuh.
Yes. I'm watching. Wait, it's about to go up.
Oh gosh! An unforgettable day in Tennessee when the sky seemed to pull down and touch the ground.
Oh my God.
The fire became more powerful when fueled by wind and tornadoes. Tornadoes can appear unexpectedly, like a sudden wave crashing and sweeping everything in its path. The giant tornado spins near an Indiana farm, like a symbol of destruction and sudden change in nature. Some lightning bolts were seen illuminating the dark, cloudy sky behind a building at NASA's Kennedy Space Center. Every piece of debris flying through the air, like fragmented memories of a world torn apart. The tornado completely took over the Kyoto, Iowa space. Monitoring the warnings and taking safety measures are essential at this moment. The Los Angeles County sky suddenly appeared like a giant net, where debris was swept up in the tornado. The large funnel cloud swirled in Fulbright, Texas, like a giant funnel spiraling into the sky, causing the sky to change in an instant. The wind turned the Burning Man fire into a fire whirl. Two or three rooftops seemed to be ripped apart by an invisible hand and blown away, while a transformer suddenly exploded under the intense impact of the tornado. A small tornado spirals over Otter Lake in Quebec, like a sign of unpredictable movement in nature. When three waterspouts hit the sea near Isokari Island in Finland, members of the cargo ship quickly grabbed cameras to capture that rare moment.
I want to get up high.
That's really dangerous. Like, should we close?
This powerful vortex swept the wind and air, making everything around seem silent. The storm chaser had an unforgettable experience when they found themselves in the middle of nature's vortex. Luckily, everyone was safe. The storm chaser captured a rare scene just beneath the mouth of the tornado. Wow. The big dust storm swirled near Cumbre Vieja volcano as it continued to erupt on the island of La Palma, Spain, like a mystical dance between wind and earth.
Are you so pumped to be outside?
A cat looks surprised when it first looks outside.
One moment, it hadn't turned back on yet. It's still turning on. I don't know why these.
Look, proud lizard rides on the back of a turtle, like a tiny lord exploring its kingdom. The natural world is truly fascinating.
I made the game up for him.
The dog plays with a balloon, like a symbol of innocence and pure joy.
She's so good at too. No,
Butterflies gather on wildflowers in Minnesota, bringing life and color to the stillness of the space. Oh no, the car didn't miss the chance to go for a ride when its owner forgot to engage the parking brake. A reminder to be careful to ensure everyone's safety. The dust storm, like an invisible creature, pushes grass across Idaho's highway as if it is swept away in an uncontrollable dance. The tornado swept through Weld County, Colorado, like an invisible wave, carrying everything in its sight. Time-lapse video captures the superstorm appearing in the northwestern Kansas sky, like a symbol of change and nature's impermanence. The funnel cloud is ominous in the sky over northwestern Texas. An impressive display of mammothous clouds covers the sky near Gale, Texas. That light was like a brushstroke from nature, lightning lighting up the Kansas sky. The lightning over the Mississippi sky is a symbol of nature's fury and uncontrollable power. An impressive cloud rolls in over the Bristol Motor Speedway racetrack in Tennessee, like a mysterious painting, signaling the inevitable change. The Nashville skyline is covered by a fierce storm cloud, like a mysterious painting drawn in the sky.
Do you see the huge hail?
The mesmerizing rustle of birds swooping across the Oregon sunset. The hypnotic tornado of fish swirls off the coast of Japan, like an invisible wave pulling life around, creating a magical sight in the sea. A wild salamander got very close to the camera, posing like a star waiting for the shot. Time-lapse footage captured the swirling clouds in the Saskatchewan sky, like a mystical dance between wind and space. A new beginning was drawn by a rainbow over the Boston sky, like a colorful painting suddenly appearing in the gray space. The Manhattan Henge phenomenon lit up New York City,